Is Bitcoin going today to $25,000? I know that is a question that is burning on everybody's mind because Bitcoin had here a crazy move today out of this rising wedge here to the upside, but got here already rejected. So, and now I want to tell you guys where the Bitcoin price most likely will go today. So, but for this, make sure that you stay until the end of the video. Because then I'm gonna reveal it, and also make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel.
To succeed in this game, you need to invest in yourself. Be daring, innovate, calculate, never hesitate. Follow your instincts, don't follow the crowd. Back yourself, bank your wealth, analyze, strategize, and galvanize. Now is the time. Take your shot.
And now let's get directly to it, guys. So first we will start off with some smaller time frames. So we will start here with the 30 minutes chart. So, and here you can see Bitcoin was trading in this uprising channel here for quite a while, since yesterday, 24 hours more or less ago. So, and now we have broken this channel to the downside, and I have actually a short open, just a small one. It's $70,000 is the position. So, and I'm here right now, $750 in profit, 0.03 Bitcoin. And don't forget, guys, if you also want to trade these calls that I give absolutely for free in my Telegram group, then go here to Bybit. There you still get $4,450 only with my specific link, or on BitGet $8,000 plus 50% discount on the fees, also only with that specific link. You will not get these bonuses anywhere else, especially the BitGet bonus. So, and down below you find here also the link to my free Telegram group or to the paid one, where you get even more signals and can make even more money on a daily basis. So, but don't take my word for it. Go in the free group, show what I post there on a daily basis, how the gains are looking, and then make up your mind. So, and now let's get here directly back to the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 30 minutes chart, when I look here on the EMA ribbons, then we get a clear picture on the higher time frames where Bitcoin might be heading. So let me go for this here to the 4-hourly chart. So what we can clearly see here right now is that the candles are about to print an evening star pattern. So where we have here this red doji, so which is forming right now. So, and then the next candle will start in red and also go to the downside. So remember, guys, we had this now multiple times, and I have multiple times called correctly that this is going to happen, and it actually happened. So, and once that is happening, the Bitcoin price will come down to test the EMA ribbon here once again. So now the EMA ribbon is trending every 4 hours a little bit higher. So it could be, if the Bitcoin price can somehow manage to stay more or less here in this range, that the retest will be around $24,000. So, but I rather expect a really quick move down here and then sideways action, maybe slightly more down, and then we will come back up again. So why do I expect this? Because the stochastic RSI is heavily overbought here right now. So, and for that reason, we need to have a correction here to the downside. That doesn't mean the uptrend is over. It just means we need a healthy correction right now, after we had here a crazy up run. When we look here at the percentages, so here from this low point all the way to the up point. So let me pull it up for you guys. So a 10% move in a matter of, what was it here? Of 1 day. So this is insane for Bitcoin, 10% in a single, in 24 hours. So, and yeah, for that, definitely Bitcoin needs to cool off here a little bit before we can move here into higher levels. I still believe if Bitcoin can manage to have a successful retest here on the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly chart, that we will come up here again and to break once again this rising wedge here on the 4-hourly and on the daily chart, and that we then will see Bitcoin going really quick all the way up here to $28,000, $29,000 in the immediate short term. So that is a target that we could actually hit within the next 2 weeks. So also the EMA ribbon on the daily chart is also already slowly turning bullish here again. So because here we can see the yellow string is working its way up here over the other strings. So, and once the yellow one comes on top of all the other ones, then we are back in an uptrend. So, and the price action will also reflect that. So, and once this is happening, the price action has actually to be over this rising wedge and continue its way to the upside. So when we are looking here on the stochastic RSI, that is not looking so good right now. So we could here technically roll over, get here a sell signal and go here down for a couple of days. So, but yeah, we have to see if that is actually occurring and the case. For the time being, what I'm watching is the 4-hourly chart, what's happening here, because in 1 hour we have here this candle close. So like I said, here an immediate retest of the EMA ribbon. So, and that will give us a really nice short opportunity to the downside. So if you're not in a short yet and you want to short, and you see here the next candle in 1 hour being starting out in red, then you have here a potential to make 3%. So if you trade with 25x leverage, 75% gains here quite safely and quite quickly. Because I believe that we will not stop at the top of the ribbon, but actually go all the way into the ribbon and then come back up. So that you could potentially make even more on that. So, but I will play it safe, and I will go out when I make like 50-60%. That's for me enough on a high leverage, especially with the amounts that I'm trading. So I'm absolutely fine if I can get out there. So guys, and don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and use the signals that I give for free, more or less on a daily basis, one signal more or less for free on a daily basis in my free channel, then trade with me together on Bybit, because there you still get $4,450 in free bonuses, and on BitGet $8,000. So accumulative, you can get here over $20,000 in bonuses if you would sign up on all of these exchanges and deposit a little bit of money and start trading there to claim your bonus. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comments below if you are trading with me together in my Telegram group, and if you made gains then, also how much gains you made. So I would like to know in the comments below. Yeah, and other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.